Political polarity has been ongoing on whether the public prosecutor general had kept political neutrality. Mi Aichu, the Minister of Justice, had suspended the duty of Suk Yul-yoon, the public prosecutor general, as a disciplinary measure. But what are the types and steps to taking disciplinary actions on government employees? Types of disciplinary actions on government employees. Disciplinary action refers to imposing internal sanctions when someone violates disciplines, policies, duties, etc. of an organization. In line with this, disciplinary actions on government employees are imposed by the government organizations to infringe government employees in terms of administrative sanctions. Of course, illegal activities are subject to criminal penalty regardless of the disciplinary actions. The types of disciplinary actions on government employees include expulsion, dismissal, demotion, suspension, salary reduction, and reprimand. Expulsion, dismissal, demotion, and suspension are major sanctions, whereas pay cut and reprimand are minor sanctions. Expulsion and dismissal both require resigning from work, but expulsion would cause worse treatment in terms of government, employees' pension, and others. Demotion refers to degrading one rank, and suspension would ban an employee to come to work for a certain period. And for minor sanctions, salary reduction would be a pay cut for 1 to 3 months, and reprimand would leave a record of such sanctions to give a disadvantage on promotion and others. However, prosecutors would not be expelled unless impeached in the National Assembly or committing a crime punishable by jail, in order to guarantee their political neutrality and status. Nevertheless, dismissal, suspension, salary reduction, and reprimand could still be given through disciplinary actions. Here, the disciplinary action would be decided by the prosecutor's disciplinary committee and would be declared by the president only, with the consent of the Minister of Justice. Likely, in the case of Public Prosecutor General Suk Yul-yoon, whether to give disciplinary action or not will be decided at the prosecutor's disciplinary committee. Steps to disciplinary actions on government employees. Shall we have a look into the steps to giving sanctions? When a government employee is found guilty, the head of the administrative body shall be notified. Then, the head of the administrative body will give notice to the disciplinary committee. The disciplinary committee shall give disciplinary action after taking steps such as an interrogation. Nonetheless, re-examination could be requested if the person believes himself to be falsely charged. The outlook. Public Prosecutor General Suk Yul-yoon claimed that the order of suspension is wrong and filed for suspension of execution at Seoul Administrative Court. Seoul Administrative Court stopped the suspension on December 1st. Thus, Public Prosecutor General Suk Yul-yoon is back again in his office. However, a separate disciplinary committee on Public Prosecutors General Suk Yul-yoon is expected to take place, and all eyes are on the decisions to be made by the disciplinary committee. Questions. What is one of the disciplinary actions that degrade one rank of a sanctioned government employee? 1. Expulsion. 2. Dismissal. 3. Demotion. 4. Salary reduction. Answer. 3. Demotion. Explanation. The disciplinary action that degrades one rank of a sanctioned government employee is demotion.